Hi there, this is AniBusiness with your friend Simeon. You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let us talk about loss of appetite in pregnant pig. Some of us have experienced this problem before. I don't know, maybe we'll find solution to it, or our animal end up dying at the farm. It happens a lot. It could be when they are pregnant, it could be when they deliver. So why do our sow have loss of appetite when they were pregnant or after giving birth? That is what we want to talk about today. My name is Simeon O. James. All I deal with is agriculture, livestock, and crop farming. If you're new on my YouTube channel, please kindly subscribe and also turn on the bell so that you can get notification anytime it comes in. So what are the causes of loss of appetite in your pregnant sow or already delivered pig? What are the causes? Number one is worms, like internal parasite. Maybe it's been long that you treated worms in them. That is why they end up losing their appetite, because those worms are eating them up, like disturbing them from within. Or maybe it is already farrowed one, the one that have already delivered. That is why they are not eating. It's because they are dealing with worms within. Worms will not let them to eat. It won't give them the appetite to eat. So they will just lose their appetite. So they won't find it very interesting to eat. That is why your pregnant pig or already delivered pig cannot eat. Secondly, nutrient deficiency. Nutrient deficiency has to do with lots of things. Maybe the food is not healthy enough, the feed is not good enough. I used to tell some of my people that some of the food you are giving to your pig, if you cannot have a taste, I'm not saying swallow it, like something you cannot touch with your lips, then that means you are giving them rubbish. So you should get feed that are good, that are clean, that you can at least check, have a taste of it, like, okay, this thing is healthy enough. I'll go to some farm, they will mix blood for 3 days, 4 days before giving to their pig, which is not good enough. So nutrient deficiency can also cause your pig to lose appetite. Just like you, human being, there are times some food will smell to you. You wouldn't like it. You will crave for something different, something better, something good. It's not like that food is not palatable, but your body system crave for something better. That is why that food smells to you. So it happens to our animal too. And once our animal notice that, they will not like to eat that food, especially the pregnant one or the one that just delivered piglet at the farm. Number 3, indigestion. Indigestion also can cause your pregnant sow or the one that have delivered already not to eat. If the food they ate for something like 3 days are still inside them, then there is no how they can take in more. Indigestion also can be a cause, but this thing is not that rampant. It's the issue of worms and also nutrient deficiency that affect some of these pregnant pig or already delivered pig that much. Number 4 is stress. Stress can come from heat. Stress can come from maybe any disturbances if there are two within their room. Stress can come from pregnancy. Stress can come from delivery. Stress can come from the baby sucking. All these things are stress. Heat stress is during dry season. It disturbs a lot of pig. That's why you must have a pool or rather run water for them to refresh, to cool off their body every now and then. Stress also can be the cause or the reason why your pregnant pig or already delivered pig are not eating. So these are just the 4 causes. There might be others, but these are just the 4 main causes why your pig may likely not eat if they are pregnant or if they just delivered. So what is the solution to this problem? We know what the problem is all about, but what is the solution right now? Solution number 1, deworm your pig 1 week before delivery. If they are pregnant, if your pig is pregnant, you already, the dates that you cross your pig, let's have this record keeping at the farm. The date that your pig cross, okay, you write it down. They are going to deliver in 4 months 2 days. That is 3 months 33 days or 34 days or 32 days. All right, so you write the date down, then you will be calculating. So if you have like 1 week left before your pig deliver, then deworm the pig with that pregnancy. It will not affect it. All right, or if they just deliver You can deworm within 1 week or after 1 week. But deworming before they deliver is more important, or the deworming before they take in pregnancy is more important. So you deworm your pig, adults, maybe twice or 3 times in a year. You deworm them 3 months, 4 months in a year. That is how you do. So that is solution number 1. Solution number 2, you give multivitamin injection, or you give iron injection, or you give any antibiotics injection. Don't forget that the dewormer is also an antibiotics. But antibiotics like LA, blah blah blah, like that. So you can give them. That is after delivery. After they deliver, some of them can be weak. If they are weak, just as I talked about stress also causes weakness. All right, so if they are weak, you will need iron injection to give them. So if they are strong, they can get back on their feet and start eating. So you can give them multivitamin. Also, multivitamin will open their appetite and help them to eat. The antibiotics also can tackle whatever disease or sickness they are battling with within them, and it will open their appetite to start eating. So that is that about solution number 2. Solution number 3, you can get fresh pineapple from fruit seller. You don't need to peel it, just dice it or slice it into smaller sizes, then give it to the pregnant pig or the already delivered pig that is not eating. You give it to her. If she could have 1 or 2 tastes of it, her appetite will open and she will start eating. Or you can get glucose from the pharmacy, glucose, white powder glucose. You get it, you can pour it on the floor, you can mix it with the feed you want to give it to her. Once she lick it or she have access to that glucose, her tummy, her appetite will open and she will start eating. That is solution number 3. Number 4, give food with good smell and with rich nutrients. Give food that have good smell with good nutrient. If your food have good smell, your pig will be eager to smell it and will be eager to have a taste of that food. That is why I always tell people that only mix PKC and cassava peels to give to their pig. You are not giving them good food. The smell will not come out. But if you are mixing PKC, soya, wheat, rice bran, all other materials you see around you, then you add additive to it, them like of methionine, lysine, multivitamin, salt, etc. The feed will smell, the smell will come out, the aroma will come out, the pig will perceive it, and she will be eager to eat. She will just like to have a taste of it, and once she start having a taste of it, her tummy will open and she will start eating. So give good food that have good smell. Solution number 5, provide clean water for drinking and also for bathing, for refreshing their body, for cooling their body. Provide good water at the farm. Let them have a taste to fresh water. If they are drinking fresh water, you are good to go. You wouldn't have any problem at the farm again. Solution number 6, okay, give them fresh leaf, fresh vegetable. If it is bitter leaf, if it is water leaf, if it is any other vegetables you have at the farm, potato leaf, you can give them to eat, and this will open their appetite and help them to do well. So that is all about the video. My name is Simeon O. James. If you want to reach out to me for consultation only, you can reach out to me through the number you are seeing on the screen. Just WhatsApp only. And also, if you need feed formula for your pig, please reach out to me. There is a feed formula, the starter, the grower, the one for production, and the one for slaughtering pig is available. Thank you for watching.